Nothing went wrong. I hate it when things don't go wrong.
I hate it when things go right and things don't go wrong.
Yeah, like what the hell? Wish sending us the correct product, like doing everything right. What? We're not used to this.
We're not used to
We're
this.
not used to this kind of treatment.
What is this?
Like,
is this a premium show now?
Yeah, like I don't know
Are
how
we
to
actually
accept this kind of
educational?
love. Yeah. Guys, we're bringing you good
The
stuff.
facts.
Oh.
Nothing but the
Oh,
facts.
Yes, yes.
Hey guys!
Welcome to BoxBeauty.
On this week's episode, we're all about cleanse, cleanse, cleanse.
Cleanse your face,
Oh
cleanse
yes,
your soul,
your mind, your body, your
mind.
spirit.
Mm-hmm.
We're actually only going to be cleansing our face, but good try.
True. Yeah.
So on this one, we're going to try 3 different cleansers, or maybe not cleansers as such, but also like products to cleanse your face with, and then we'll be giving what we think our best and worst is. So, should we get into it?
Yeah, I love a good cleanse.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, we've got a little
bowl.
some water. Nice, it's warm. We did well. And first of all, we're going to be using these. I'll let you open one of these while I find out what this is. So this is the non-woven compressed disposable face towel. So this doesn't actually have...
Face towel?
It's just a face towel. So imagine you're traveling and you can't take any like, I don't know, face wipes or anything like that.
This is our towel.
Yeah, they're tiny little like tablet-like things you'll drop into the water, and hopefully, judging by some of the pictures and things, will expand into a face towel.
So they're like compacted face towels.
Yeah, I guess so.
Interesting.
So,
Without further ado.
Oh! Oh wow, that happened so fast.
Oh, it looks like a little octopus.
So I guess maybe just move it around a little bit.
Oh.
Did you have those things when you were a child where you could be like, you'd drop it in and it would turn into a flannel?
No.
Oh.
Sorry. That didn't work for me. No, I know what you're talking about.
The same thing.
Oh, and look what we've got. That's cool.
Actually, and they don't feel too bad.
And that is fine for like traveling and stuff. Like I've traveled before and having to take
I'm
loads
actually
of
really
stuff
surprised about this.
Yeah.
So then I guess I'll just rinse it a little bit. And then we haven't put any product with this, but I mean, it's
You're just gonna have to do like different little sections of our faces.
Yeah, it's not like coming apart or anything. Oh, I'm actually really pleasantly surprised with these. What do you think?
Nothing's coming off.
Nothing's coming off.
Like
So-
hardly anything. That's really strange. Like the
It's
top
very-
layer of makeup that I've got on is starting to come off, but no,
Oh.
I got more than it.
So, but I mean, we haven't put anything with them. They're
Yeah.
just a face towel, so there's no product with them. So, but I still think that's quite nice.
Yeah, it's a really good idea. Quite entertaining. Yeah, I like
Quite
it.
entertaining, drop it in. There's loads of them. These were 90p, I think, they came through, as with a little bit of shipping cost in them.
Yeah.
I think that's
I might give it a little pump with this. This is a cleanser that I use. So if I give it a little go, we can see how it works. But yeah, great for traveling. That's such a good idea.
Yeah, because I'm sure like you can't take some things with liquids or stuff through the planes and whatever.
And just
maybe...
like space, like if you're taking just like a backpack or something.
Yeah.
Like it's
or
so
away
much
for a
better.
couple of nights and you just need a couple.
The foundation is coming off. It's good.
Yeah.
I like this. This is a good
I'm a
product.
fan, yeah. Okay. Are you ready to move on to your next?
I'm ready.
We're gonna follow the similar theme of like,
Beautiful.
similar theme of dropping things in, but these ones, so we've got quite a few of them here, actually.
More my colour. Love it.
So these ones actually say DIY compressed mask. So the difference with these is, let me just find the description for these ones. These are quite fun because these ones are supposedly gonna have some effect and some cleanse in them.
Yeah.
But these ones will expand into a lovely mask, apparently.
So are they meant to have product in them or something?
Supposedly, yes. So these ones were free from Wish with £2 delivery. Actually, no, they weren't. They were 90p from Wish, but still practically free. It says compressed mask, paper facial, natural bamboo charcoal mask, paper face care.
Okay, charcoal.
And I believe we just do this the exact same way. Wow, that
I love
so
it.
quick. I'm gonna see if I can get one to show you. But it just opens up Lovely. So then this one, oh yeah, it's beginning to become a mass now. And I can see that the water is going a little bit cloudier, so I think there's definitely some product in these. There are different textures to the others.
My vibe, love the colour.
Yeah, they're very dark. Oh, there's a face.
Oh, I think mine, I just tore mine.
Oh no.
Oh, so a little bit delicate.
Yeah. I think maybe it needs a bit more water. They go on quite wet, I guess.
They've got these little,
They've got these little things on
eye
the
flaps,
eyes.
yeah. It's if you want to close your eyes and have a little sleepy.
Have a little sleepy.
Pull those ones over.
Oh.
Oh, these are hard.
These ones are quite hard. Yeah, yeah.
It's sticking on now.
It's sticking on. What's your thoughts on this? I mean, like, would you take this to go travelling with? Like, face masks on the go?
I mean, if you put it in really cold water, like ice water, and dunk that in and put it on your face when you're somewhere hot,
you'd be like,
this would be amazing. But I don't see the point of it. It doesn't feel like it has product in, so it doesn't feel like nice and hydrating and stuff.
It doesn't really have a smell to it. It just does feel like what we tried a minute ago, black.
But it just looks so fabulous.
But it does look quite fun. So, and I do enjoy watching them pop out.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's the main thing. Actually, the water's gone clear again now, so I thought there was like product in this, but I'm not sure if there is.
It does just honestly feel like the same as the last one, I could tell, but it's sticking to our face there now, so.
Sticking to our face.
Yeah.
So, and I'm sure it'll be moisturising and like all of that hubbub.
Thank you. Next.
Yeah. Oh. I've lost my face. So, yeah. Interesting. I think they're a little bit smaller as well, but very interesting.
Refreshing. They could be very refreshing.
So.
Ew!
Okay, these ones I'm really excited about because they are friggin' adorable. Okay.
Oh.
So this is more like a sponge. I'm just gonna show you because I'm so excited.
Once again, I haven't seen any of these. Matt does this like sneaky little ordering in his room at night in the dark, and things just fall through the box London.
The Box London letterbox.
You'll know what I mean.
Okay. Contrary to popular belief, I'm gonna give you the blue one and me the pink one. So,
I'm cool with that.
how adorable are these?
Oh,
So-
little face babies.
They're like little scrubbers, and they've got little faces on them, and a face on the top as well, which is really adorable.
Wow.
I feel like they should have names or something. So let me just find out what it says about these, but they are super, 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 super cute.
Them. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Mine is going to be called Paolo.
Paolo.
Mine's Paolo.
So these were free on Wish, but there was a £2 delivery, and these are the waterproof facial brush, health jellyfish super wash machine octopus design exfoliator soft silicone. So I think the whole idea with these is that they've got this silicone like scrub on this side, and then a sponge in the middle. So I guess it would hold any product or anything we put into it as well. So I think these look super fun though.
I already have a brush like this that I use when I cleanse in the evening when I get all my makeup off, and it's got like brushes on one side and this on the other. This is really good for like exfoliating, but once again without using like scratchy scrubs and stuff. So cool, but how do I use it? Like,
so I don't know.
Maybe I pop the product straight on the top.
I'm gonna put a little bit of product with it and see where we get to.
There's little faces on the top. Oh, Paolo.
So, I'll rinse you out a little bit. Oh, okay, yeah. I mean, it's exfoliating, but it's quite gentle.
Oh, it's dripping down my yawn.
I like that it's got a sponge in it, so I guess you could keep it like full of product or keep it going. Silicone is like super easy because it's never really gonna go bad.
Ooh. Tell you what, it's like displacing all of my makeup as well.
Oh,
that's good. That's
I guess because
really good.
you've got this like finer like points on this side, and then you've got like these chunky ones. Oh, have you used the chunky ones? It's like a massage.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're nice. I'm a fan.
Oh, but there's a little sharp bit. What is that?
Is it the sponge?
I might be the sponge.
Because I think the sponge is a
Oh yeah, it's like a scourer.
bit. Yeah.
Look at this.
This is nice.
Not bad, not bad. I wish these were a little bit longer, just so I keep like scratching my face with that sponge. But it's good. Like all my makeup is like. So then if I got,
I think I would
maybe
use this again.
a new one.
And actually, because the sponge is in the middle, it's really like frothing up all of the cleanser I've got.
Oh, wow. Fair play, mine wasn't doing that. Mine's more like a gel though, maybe. That has basically taken all of the makeup off that side of my face.
Wow, that's really good.
Like, that is, I'm impressed. Like,
Perhaps.
wish, like, what the f? Oh.
She's on it today.
I have a swearing problem. 100% impressed with you, Wish. You have brought us a good product.
And it's friggin' adorable.
It's so cute. You haven't even named yours.
I know.
So mean. What are you gonna? Is it gonna be a
Fiona.
Fiona.
Fiona the jellyfish.
Fiona.
Are they a jellyfish?
It's said
Or an
jellyfish.
octopus?
It doesn't really look like either. It looks like a little bear.
Aww.
With a crew cut. Oh, and it just bursts forth. Oh, I love it.
Oh, adorable.
Thank you. Nice, I like it. I like it. I wonder if you can pop this open to. Oh yeah.
You take the
so
sponge
you can
out.
probably just.
What's the sponge in the middle like?
It's like a kitchen scourer. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, that's really. That is really.
It's abrasive.
Yeah, not cute.
Oh, that
and
is
rough
very
and horrible.
scratchy.
That is only going to be for like keeping the product in there. That's not for our faces.
Not for our faces.
Meow.
Not for face.
No.
Oh, sorry, Pabs.
Got to stuff
Fiona.
you again.
Oh, cute.
Oh, poor Fifi. Still full again.
Aww.
I like.
Like?
She's impressed.
Oh, nice. So in total, all of the 3 products probably cost us about £3.
And that's very good.
That's very good.
These things are great for traveling. Like this is actually quite a good little wish haul, isn't it?
I think this is the most successful one I think we've ever done.
We've been disappointed, like things that just don't work or they aren't what they say they are.
Constantly.
Like wish, like we do wish every time it arrives that it will work. But you know, at this
We
time.
wish, we hope, we dream.
Yay. Oh my gosh! And our prayers have been answered. These are good products.
Once in a while. Once in a while.
Can you believe?
If you really like these videos and you want to see some more of this stuff, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Ding 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 ding.
Okay, so it's time for the review.
Review.
They were pretty good products, all of them actually. I was a big fan of all of them. There was no real bad ones of the day.
No, surprisingly.
But if you need to put your top and worst, best and worst, what are you going to say?
Pow Pow is number 1.
I agree. These
I love
are
Paolo.
great.
They're really good.
And actually, I think there's a lot of expensive versions of this type of thing.
100%, 100%. As I said, I've already got one, like very similar to this. It just has a brush on the other side, but when you have this and, you know, it holds so much product,
Yeah.
you don't need the brush. So this 100%, and then I would say these little white like facial towels.
I think actually,
they make more
yeah,
sense.
the white ones were great because they were just plain. You can put your own product with them.
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
like in these things, so they're diluted, and like actually, I think they were quite good quality. They didn't break
Yeah,
apart.
for sure.
Like, yeah.
But the
really, really
compressed
good.
mask is probably the least.
Yeah.
Least favorite. Bottom of the list. It, you know, I tore it like straight away because it was so flimsy.
Yeah.
It just didn't really do anything. It didn't make any sense.
No, I
There's
just
real
felt.
purpose to it.
I just felt like maybe the product wasn't in it. Maybe it felt like it was the towel
Yeah.
that was black. It didn't feel like it had the charcoal. It didn't feel like it made a difference.
Maybe it would have been better, you know, if we had the bowls of the water and we could add our own essential oils and
Yeah,
things like
definitely,
that.
I think
And then you
definitely.
could use those. So it may be good for like a DIY like face sheet mask. But just by itself, it
didn't.
don't
look
bring
poorly.
anything to the table.
It wasn't bad. Meh.
But we will forever have Paolo and Fiona. Come, Paolo.
Oh, yeah.
Well, she likes it in the water, so that's okay. He's more of a land lover.
It's a land lover.
He likes a little dunk every now and then. But, you know, he hasn't found his little sea legs yet.
Oh, they are adorable, though.
They are.
Adorbs.
Honestly, though, nothing went wrong. Oh, Paolo, look at his little face.
It's so cute. They've just got little sweet noses.
Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside.
I do like to be beside the
sea. He wanted a little dance. He spilled himself.
Oh.